What is up? It is 60 degrees and sunny. St. Louis has some weird weather. Until with the chin. Today is gonna be a weird day, like I said, with a pretty weird shoot. It starts with me trying to find a wedding veil and a small pole to hold up a piñata that someone's going to fall in love with. Let's go. Seriously, it is really nice out. It was supposed to rain all day, but I don't see clouds anymore. Hobby Lobby to get fabric to make look like a wedding veil. I really only come here when we're prepping for Santa pictures. Turns out it's open all year.
Yes.
I need like a yard of that.
You're gonna have to wait.
Okay. It's like 11:10 and I have to be at lunch at 11:30. It's kinda close. Oh yeah, and I am wearing the same sweatshirt I was wearing yesterday. It's fine. And if you want your own sweatshirt, you can go to playsnotpoints.com. It is awkward to just talk. There's probably someone right behind this aisle. They're just listening to some dude talk to a camera in a fabric store. I have resisted going back to the Joby GorillaPod for a long time, and man, the past couple days, it is tempting.
All right, brother.
Thanks, dude. Realty sign, check. Now let's go be late to lunch. Oh, it's so fun when you do a whole shot and you get out of your car and you dance around and then you find out the camera's not recording. Here at Wasabi Sushi Bar for lunch with John and Clayton and one of their clients, and because I'm a guest and it's a like nicer lunch, I'm gonna leave this camera behind. As small as this camera is, still too big. I was just about to leave to head to this shoot, and I realized I need to get rice for this like wedding scene thing. And I'm leaving a sushi restaurant. Maybe they can just give me a handful of rice. It's worth an ask. I have a weird favor to ask.
Yes.
Is it possible to get like a handful of rice in a small bag, uncooked? Just like a handful. Yeah, tiny. Thank you.
I said, I didn't think it would be a problem. We got plenty of it.
That's a huge lifesaver.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hey, thank you again.
Have a good afternoon. I appreciate it. Rice. For free from a sushi restaurant. It's gonna plug Plays Not Points. It's just not natural though, you know? I've gotten some looks because people in Kirkwood don't have a lot of vloggers. All right, let's do this. I swear to God, if I wasn't recording that whole time, I'm gonna be bummed. That's like the third time. It did start raining. So crossing my fingers that a handful of these shots work out, because we're gonna have sort of a montage of clips we need to get here, and not a lot of time to get them. But we're meeting at Strange Donuts, so here I am. And I want it to stop raining on me and my camera. Do you know who Berkeley is? Because I don't either, but I'm filming with Berkeley today. What?
You don't know what it is?
I know, it's a her. Berkeley is a her. I'm so stoked about the cease and desist.
Oh my god!
That's a highlight.
Did you guys know that we got a cease and desist? What is it?
Cease and desist?
Assist. Dairy Queen. Yes, Dairy Queen.
200,000 people got that wrong. I thought Studio X and Kilfoy Studio was somewhere around here. No, huh? But we're gonna see if we can film in Saratoga Lanes. How's it going? We'll be back in a minute. Thank you, Art. Do you think I'm still recording? So cool. Approved to shoot at Saratoga Lanes. That's big. Now we just need a coffee shop, and I really hope I locked my car. I don't want to be wrong about that. And it's raining. Who would steal a car when it's raining? Needs to stop raining. Get your own Plays Not Points sweatshirt. Dry from playsnotpoints.com. So Berkeley is almost here at Strange Donuts, and we got permission to film in a couple of places. Let's go do it. I'm gonna leave the A6500 and any vlogging clips I'm just gonna do on the A7S II, because you want to know. You asked for it, and you get it. God, I hope someone's right here and they just hear me talking to my trunk. Hey, Plays Not Points sweatshirts, they dry out fast. Playsnotpoints.com. So we filmed at a bowling alley, and we filmed at a coffee shop, and now we're at the High Point Drive-In to film here. Back at the office and backing up the footage from today's shoot, we decided to split today's crazy shoot into two slightly less crazy shoots. So we're filming more of this tomorrow, and that's a really, really good idea because this was getting rushed. And it's gonna be pretty fun. So more to come tomorrow. As St. Louis does, it's freaking out a little bit because there's supposed to be some icy weather tonight. And so the college school board meeting got canceled, which I don't hate the board meetings. It's kind of cool, so I'm not like, yay, canceled. But it does mean that I get to relax at home with Jesse, so I'm ending this video here, and I'm not taking any cameras home. Have a good night. See you later. How do you end a video? I don't have, like, any call to action or anything. You can go to playsnotpoints.com. Get yourself a sweet sweatshirt or t-shirt. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above, jeeps